President Aquino says he still needs the timeliness of all rehabilitation projects in Yolanda Baratold areas before he approves the master recovery plan. Rocky Ignacio filed this report.
The government is focused on the Build Back Better situation to bring back normalcy in Yolanda-stricken areas in the Visayas. In his interview with media at Palo Leyte, President Aquino said this a year after one of the strongest typhoons hit the country in November last year.
No, at may tentative studies ng ginawa na mukhang mas suitable to, protektado ka doon sa storm surges. Okay. Dito na natin, no? Ang commitment sa atin ng NHA, maraming proseso natapos na. At pag the minute na na-comply, no? Yung environmental compliance, yung paghahanap ng lupa, na pag-aralan si lupa na tama siya, mabilis na yung trabaho. At least 47% ng araw na bibid out nila. At kayo maglala, no? Mula nung palanding ako hanggang ngayon, marami tayong tinatawagang ahensya, nagtatanong tayo. For instance, yung airport, nire-repave, no? Ang target date is December 2014. Tapos kanina, parang wala ako napansin ng mga heavy equipment, nandun raw sa fire station. Pagbalik ko, titingnan ko kung nandun. Ang issue raw dito, asphalt, no? Tapos yung aggregates. Yung aggregates, tutulong na si Governor at iba mga mayor, meron tayong aggregates. Yung asphalt, DPWH, priority sa mga supplier nila, naunahin muna itong para matapos yung paving. Ngayon, sana hindi mapako yung pangako ko, pero inaasahan ko, imbis na December 2014, November 2014, or next month, matapos itong pagre-repave ng airport at makabalik na yung other types of aircraft tulad ng mga jet.
The 170 billion pesos recovery master plan was submitted by Rehabilitation SAR Secretary Pamphilo Lacson. But the president said he only needs the timeline of all the rehabilitation projects in areas battered by Yolanda before he signs the master recovery plan. President Aquino added that Malacanang is also waiting for the assessment reports from the local government units to ensure the proper identification of areas safe from the danger brought by calamities such as landslides and flash floods.
Dumaan, maraming dinaanan. Lahat ng departamento nag-sign off. Tapos nung dumaan sa akin, if I remember, parang last week no? Or 2 weeks ago. But I think it was last week. Okay? Hinahanap ako lang ng timeline. What is expected to be finished by what date? Okay? So yun lang. Talagang mas isi-specify. Ulitin ko lang, baka magtatanong ng marami, bakit matagal? Meron kasing kailangan na tinatawag na post-disaster needs assessment. At kailangan magmula yun for the most part sa local government units, no? Now, kasunod din sa filosofiya natin ng bottom-up budgeting, hindi nag-i-impose yung tinatawag na Imperial Manila. So, ang masakit ito, hindi lahat ng munisipyong naapektahan, pati Bohol, no? Sama ko na, may mga engineer na structural engineer. Yung Build Back Better ang priority. So, sa pangunguna ng Secretary Rojas, no? Tsaka ni Secretary Singson, tsaka marami pa iba, pati World Bank tumulong na rin. Kumuha tayo ng mga structural engineer para tulungan yung mga municipal engineer na gawin yung plano. Ngayon, bago natin nalaman na wala sa kakayahan nila, medyo ilang buwan rin ang tumakbo. Tapos yun nga, pag-hire para mabigay yung detalyadong plano kung paano nga yung Build Back Better. So, ang pangako sa akin, kung di ako nagkakamali, this week, ibibigay na nila timeline at saka details. So, makita ko lang yun, okay na ako doon.
The comprehensive rehabilitation plan is focused on 4 sectors: infrastructure at 35.1 billion, resettlement at 75.6 billion, livelihood at 33.6 billion, and social services at 26.4 billion. Pending the implementation of the Recovery Master Plan, the President assured enough funds for the victims in the affected areas.
2014, DBM has released a total of 40 billion to, no? 40 billion 865 million 675,624 to various national government agencies, government-owned controlled corporations, and LGUs for the implementation of relief and rehabilitation programs and projects for Yolanda-affected areas. Meron pa tayong remaining for yung carry-over ng 2013 at saka 2014 at saka supplemental na inaasahan namin sa 2013 of about 30.503 billion at meron pang 2014 QRF, yung Quick Response Fund of 5.323 billion. Mas marami ikakarga sa 2015 dahil halos tapos na yung post-disaster needs assessment na requirement under the law para ma-access yung calamity funds. So, yung bulk na mga gagawin pa, halos ang commitment sa akin natapos na yung mga maraming kailangan daan ng proseso. For instance, no, housing, kailangan muna identify yung lands. After no lands, lahat, environmental compliance certificate, pagpayag ng lilipat, etc. etc.
The president was elated despite the devastation. Affected investor continues their operation in Leyte province. President Aquino visited Fried Process Outsourcing Solutions Incorporated at Leyte MICU Economic Zone. He will return to Leyte next month to check the rehabilitation process, particularly the shelters for displaced families.
Isang naitayong negosyo, no, na nasa lantarin na Yolanda. So, para sa akin, significant yun na may investor na imbis na nag-isip na lumikas ng lugar, bumalik dito at itinayo ulit. Maski yung lahat ng issue, di ba? Kuryente, tubig, yung trabahador nila lumipat, etc. etc. No, yun ang gusto ko i-highlight today. Tapos meron akong burol na pupuntahan. Pero tapos nun, by next month, makakabalik tayo in the areas na affected by Yolanda. Either puntahan ko lahat ng areas or baka isang central na meeting on yung talagang lahat ng specifications ng ating master plan.
November 8, 2013, when the world was shocked by the massive devastation to lives and properties by Yolanda, the strongest typhoon that had entered the Philippines. A year after, affected areas are still rising from the tragedy. For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio, Palo Leyte.